Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Study Until You Get. Today we are going to discuss the 40 most important MCQs on Gandhian era. And the Gandhian era is one of the most important topic in modern history. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to see my upcoming videos. Let's start the today's session. Gandhiji's inspiration for civil disobedience came from the writings of Henry David. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was called as Mahatma by Rabindranath Tagore. Foundation of Natal Indian Congress in which year? It was founded on 1894. The All India Conference elected Gandhi as its president in November 1919 in Delhi. First All India political movement, Gandhiji returned Kesari in gold medal as the protest against Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Gandhiji gave a call for Satyagraha is against which act? Rowlatt Act on April 6, 1919. During the non-cooperation movement, which award did Gandhiji return? Kaisari Hind. When was Mahatma Gandhi arrested during the Quit India movement of 1942? On the day of 9th August 1942. Which one of the following places did Mahatma Gandhi first started his Satyagraha in India? Champaran Satyagraha in the year of 1917. October 2, the birth of Mahatma Gandhi is internationally observed as Non-Violence Day. Which of the following session of Indian National Congress did Gandhiji as the president? Belgaum 1924. Which of the following roundtable conference was attended by Mahatma Gandhi? The second roundtable conference. It was the only conference was attended by Gandhi. Who led the Salt Satyagraha movement in with Gandhi? Sarojini Naidu. Which of the following movement did Mahatma Gandhi first hunger strike in which place? Ahmedabad 1958. Gandhiji organized the Dandi March in 1930 against tax on salt. Who led the moderate before the arrival of Gandhi on the politics? Gopala Krishna Gokhale. The slogan raised by Gandhi. The most important question. The slogan raised by Gandhi is do or die. Who is the political guru of Gandhi? Gopala Krishna Gokhale. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi finally return to India from South Africa? In the year of 1915, Gandhiji returned to India. How many years of imprisonment was Mahatma Gandhi first time in India? 6 years. When was the Gandhi-Irvine signed? On the day of 5th March 1931. The book Into the Lost, which influenced Gandhi, was authorized by John Ruskin, who said the truth is the ultimate power and it is the God. Mahatma Gandhi. In which city Gandhi beaten up and thrown of white people? Pietermaritzburg. It is in the South Africa. 1893. The 21 years of South Africa. Who say the real seat of taste was not tongue but the mind? It was said by Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji used the phrase post-dated check on the crashing bank. Cripps mission. In 1916, Gandhiji delivered a speech on the occasion of opening of the which university? The University of Banaras on the day of 4th February. Gandhiji entered the active politics in which year? Gandhiji entered the active politics in 1917. The name of the first civil disobedient movement? Champaran Satyagraha. The first and the last time Gandhiji elected as the president of which session? Belgaum session in the year of 1924. Gandhiji returned from active politics in which year? The year of 1925, and he came back in the year of 1939. The Dandi March and the Salt Satyagraha was started in which year? In the year of 1930, March 12. The most important question. Gandhiji attended the second roundtable conference in London. Gandhi-Irvine Pact was signed in March 5, 1931. The Quit India movement was started in which year? It was started in the year of 1942. The raised the slogan "Do or Die." Gandhi and all Congress leaders were arrested. The name of Gandhiji's wife? Kasturiba. And the Kasturiba was died in the February 22, 1944. The name of Gandhiji private secretary? Mahadev Desai. My Experiments with Truth, the book written by Mahatma Gandhi. India got independence in which year? In August 15, 1947. Gandhi returned to Delhi. Gandhi was shot dead by whom? Nathuram Godse in the evening meeting of Birla House. I think this video will definitely help your exams, and if you like this video, please kindly share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Let's see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.